I got pickpocketed. Barcelona experience.
Oh, I look like I'm thinking.
This one is so good.
Which one?
Hostia, qué buenas fotos, tío, sí.
Acabas de make my day.
Fantastic.
Guys, we got one of the strangers on the backstage. For my Ride or Die subscribers, this was like one of the very first strangers episodes that I did along the street. This is where Who's Your Brad began. Humble beginnings, but we started here in Gracia. Hey man, excuse me. Me llamo Brad y soy un fotógrafo. Do you speak Spanish or English? Sí. Español mejor? Okay, perfect. English then for the video. But I'm shooting a video. I take pictures of strangers when I like their style. And I'm loving your look. You're looking very, very good. So I was going to ask, would you be down for a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. What's your name?
Federico.
Federico. Brad.
Where are you?
New Zealand.
Ah, New Zealand.
New Zealand, but I live here. I've lived here now for a long time already.
You're traveling here in Barcelona? Or?
No, I've lived here already 8 years.
Oh,
yeah,
great.
local. What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Argentina.
Ah, okay, nice.
From Buenos Aires.
Nice, and you live here in Barcelona?
Yeah, since 3 years ago.
Nice, and one looking in this direction, mirando por allá. Yes, awesome. Oh, damn, con la luz está super guay. Sí.
Your camera is so good.
You say you haven't done any shoot before?
I know.
No.
Oh, very nice.
Which ones?
Well, this one
See,
is
no,
nice.
and there are some with the sun,
The
which are.
background is perfect.
Wait, you suit the camera as well. Should be a photographer too.
Okay.
Let's see.
Where's your brand?
Who's
This
your
one?
bread? Yes, this one, yeah.
Oh, amazing. You have a lot of followers.
But you're enjoying life here then, in Barcelona compared to Argentina?
Yeah, it's nice to be here because people is so nice, it's chill, you know, everything go to the beach to relax after work. I don't know, it's nice to be here. People also is nice, they are warm, I think everyone is cool. There is people around world, so you can meet people, make new friends.
Exactly.
Nice. I have friends, a lot of friends from French. One of my closest friends is from Lithuania, so
nice. It's like everywhere in Europe, right?
Yeah,
it's amazing. Guys, we're having a competition. Who has the most dots? So, oh damn, I think you win.
Everything is a restaurant, parks.
Encantado. Thanks a lot for stopping. Hola chicos, perdón. Soy Brad, soy un fotógrafo. Os vi antes, pero no tenía la cámara preparada. Me gusta mucho vuestro estilo y el flow. Quería preguntar si queréis una foto.
¿Las cobras?
No, es para mis redes sociales.
Bueno.
Sí.
Venga.
Perfecto. Ok, ¿quién?
¿Dónde?
Yo creo que aquí. ¿Dónde sois?
Aquí.
Ok, encantado, Brad.
Hola, Brad.
Mateo.
¿De
Ok.
dónde eres?
De Nueva Zelanda.
Wow, qué
Sí.
guay. ¿Y trabajas de foto?
Sí, fotógrafo.
Muy
Sí.
bien.
Si miráis por ahí, sí.
Aquí ya es
Y lo haremos así. Si ponte aquí con el brazo así.
Sí.
Y si tú estás aquí en su... en el hombro, sí.
¿Con gafas o sin gafas?
Me gusta con las gafas también. Es un look, sí. Y una así de nuevo. Perfecto. Y con la mochila.
¿La bajo?
Sí.
Quito.
Nice, mirando por allá. And una más with the full look. Yes, bro was looking like a model. And mirando hacia allá.
Ah, ya ves. Qué
Right.
guapas, sí.
Eres
Muy
como un
buenas.
modelo.
Muy buenas. Hostia, qué buenas fotos, tío, sí.
Damn, I love this.
Qué bien,
Me encanta.
gracias. Hostia, muy buenas.
Y juntos también mola, ¿no?
Sí, también mola
Están-
mucho, sí, sí.
Sí,
Son buenas fotos,
gracias.
Me encantaría tenerlas, por favor.
Claro, normalmente
Sería
las
genial.
paso, así que te las paso.
Vale,
Y
perfecto.
esperamos. Y entonces, normalmente, ¿qué haces vosotros
Nosotros
en la
somos
vida?
un
Como, ok,
Una banda de música, de rock.
ok,
Ajá.
guay. ¿Y qué tocas?
Toco la batería
Ajá.
y toco la guitarra.
Ok, guay. Me encanta. Y mirando por ahí. He was like, he took you out. And una más así. You know what we're gonna do? Okay, let's see. Vamos a ver la mágica.
Wow. ¿Soy así? Qué guapo.
Sí.
Qué buenas. Pues mil gracias, Brad.
De nada.
Muchas gracias.
Pues gracias, chicos.
A ti,
y
a ti.
nos vemos pronto.
Venga.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Hola. ¿Te puedo sacar una foto mientras que estás ahí? Me gusta mucho el escenario.
Sí.
Es que estoy sacando fotos a gente para mis redes
algo
sociales.
bueno o malo?
No, bueno.
¿Sí? Vale.
Sí, por eso te vi. ¿Y cómo te llamas?
Blanca.
Blanca Brad. ¿Dónde eres de aquí?
De Mallorca, pero sí.
Ah, ok, qué guay.
12 años.
Muy bien. ¿No vas a regresar para el verano?
Sí,
¿O
me
no?
voy 3 días ahora en agosto y en septiembre me voy unos días, pues es que trabajo todo el verano.
Ok, ahora la cámara. Ok, chulo.
Pues espera, que soy una
¿Quieres
cosa,
probar algunas también sin la bici?
como digas.
Sí. No tomo mucho tiempo porque yo sé que tenemos que pagar para
Ya, bueno,
las horas.
pues,
Tengo bici también.
O sea, es porque tengo que ir al Lidl a comprar.
Ok. ¿Es this the first time, la primera vez?
Sí.
Que sí.
Nunca he hecho nada de fotografía.
Pues mejor, mejor. Yes, mola.
Qué pasado.
¿Te gusta?
Me encanta, nunca me había visto como persona que podéis hacer de modelo en nada. La verdad es que parezco más guay de lo que pensaba que era. Me encanta, la
¿Sí?
verdad. Sí, sí, muy chulas, la verdad. Oye, pues muchas gracias, ¿eh?
De nada.
Bien.
Sí.
Muchísimas gracias, ¿eh?
De nada.
Ya acabas de make my day.
Pues encantado.
Perfecto. Pues muchas
Sí.
gracias, ¿eh?
Gracias por parar.
No, claro.
Disfruta el Lidl. Chao. Hey guys, excuse me. Would you guys like another picture? I do pictures of strangers, but I saw you guys before and you looked really nice. So I wanted to ask you, would you be down? Okay, nice. What's your name, guys?
Christian, Kalina.
Christian? Christian? Kalina. Where are you guys from?
Slovenia.
Oh, okay, cool. So we can I'll get you guys to sit over here when they leave and...
Is it for free or is it not?
No, it's for I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
It's straight up just for social media.
Just checking,
yeah.
because, you know, they
No, I
say
know, around
about
here it's
Barcelona.
crazy. Yeah.
Just checking, okay.
But anyway, if anybody ever does that to you, guys can just decide not to pay anyway, you know?
Yeah,
So
I know,
it's fine.
but, you know, it's
Yeah.
always a bit...
You never know.
Just checking.
Exactly. And how's the trip going here in Barcelona?
It's our first day, we arrived today, so...
Okay, nice.
This is our first time in the city.
Yeah.
We're so starstruck by this.
You guys want to say something from Slovenia?
Zdravo iz Ljubljana, iz Slovenije.
Boom. Yes, nice one. Go for the kiss. Yes, one more, guys. Yes, one more. Let me get this angle.
It's gorgeous.
They're fantastic.
Oh, sick. Nice.
Oh, wow.
They look really good, yeah.
Oh, this one's good. It's
Yeah.
And there were some, did you see some close-up ones as well? I think there were some
Oh yeah.
further back. Oh yeah, I love these.
Oh, these are perfect. So cute. Oh, this one.
That's fantastic. That is
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
No, you're welcome.
What?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Boom, there, amazing. You're welcome, guys. Have a good trip. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, excuse me. After, would you guys be down for some more pictures once you take yours? It's for my YouTube channel. I take photos of strangers. And I'm loving the look. Like, I was like, damn, you're such a vibe.
Thank you. Would we have to pay? Or?
No, free. Just for my social media.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay, nice. Awesome. Where are you guys from?
Spain and Cameroon.
I'm from Belgium and Rwanda.
Okay, Brad.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Alba.
Are you guys just here for like a little holiday?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Thank you. Maybe throw away your...
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna throw it in the bin.
Ah, yeah, okay, perfect. Like first ones, even if you guys just stand here because the light is killer. Okay, both just having like a little conversation. One sec, into the camera. Guys, we got one of the strangers on the backstage. You can work with me. Oh, amazing. Yes, into the camera. Yes, looking up in this way. Damn, I love your hair for real. It's stunning. Can we do, can we take this little camera and give it to her for like a prop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like rocking with the color. Oh, stunning, yes. And just do some in movement. Just like in moving the hair and... Awesome, just stay there. Yes, awesome. Okay, one more close. Maybe one like this with the necklace, just holding it out. Yeah. And then the last one just gonna be side on and looking this way.
Like this way?
Yeah, looking towards me. Yeah. Yes. Okay, yes, just there. And maybe we can get one even, yeah, just like this. Yes, and then one just looking up in this direction. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, you know what we should do? Even a movement like that. So like look that way and then look back at me so I can get the hair moving. Yep. Perfect, and then look back. You hear somebody, you're like, what? Like, somebody's like, your bag. No. Okay, yes, awesome.
Like this?
And just do one more time actually, again like that. It looks really cool. Yes, love that. Awesome, yeah, stay there. Yeah, like that. And I can get this backlight. Perfect. And just bring the hand up just a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. Yes, Kira.
Bro, this is so good. Bro, the quality though. Full body
I look confused. I was so confused on what to do.
This one's cute though.
Wait, I like that one. Thanks. I'm excited to see yours.
I like these.
I really like them. Oh, I look like I'm thinking.
This one is so good.
Oh wow,
Joyful.
wait, these are so cute, Alba. Oh, that one I like that. Oh, I love that one.
And
like with
the way the light is hitting the hair,
Yeah.
it's just like perfect.
It gives you an
all the
aura.
Tones. Yeah, for real.
Wait, I like that one.
Damn.
Wait.
Thank you
these
so
are
much.
Oh, you're welcome.
These are so good.
But we're laughing so hard. I lost my phone, but I would have followed you.
I'll look at it.
But yeah.
Damn, no, at least did it get stolen though?
Yeah, I got
shit.
pickpocketed. Yes,
Fuck
but
this.
I feel
Yeah.
like that's Barcelona experience.
Yeah.
it's part of the experience, definitely.
What's the Instagram? Wow. Oh, you've found so many people, damn.
And whereabouts did you get robbed?
Sorry?
Where did you get robbed? Like, where did this happen?
I don't know the name of the street, but
Like,
Guys, we got another one in Barcelona, another one's being robbed.
yeah.
The Rambla or no?
Sorry?
it was like, it's more that way.
It was like, it's like where all the thrift stores R.
There's like a bunch of thrift stores. In
Yeah, a photo booth.
Is there a way for us to get these pictures?
I'm gonna send them to you guys.
Oh, really?
Message me on Instagram and I'll send them to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks so
much.
much for helping with the backstage trip.
You're
That's gonna be
welcome,
fire. Now we get like a mix.
Hopefully we got a nice angle.
Thank you guys. Yeah. Enjoy your trip. Yes. And I'll send you guys the pictures soon. Good luck with all of the travels and study and stuff. Y'all are gonna be on the thumbnail for real. They look so cool. Woo!
Oh, am I allowed to promote myself?
Yeah, do it.
Well,
Really? What
if
is
you're
it?
interested, follow my YouTube channel. It's Alba Y, and I just film like vlogs and stuff. You guys should really watch it.
Hello there.
Thank you so much.
Awesome, guys. Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
It was nice meeting you.
Yes, you too. See you later. Bye. That is the end of the video. I hope all of you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment, smash the like, and let your boy know who your favorite stranger was. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.